Más verde. Vamos. Otro. Échalo un poquito para acá. Ahí. El otro. Vamos. This guy's got the whole thing right here. He's got the whole way.
Ok. Pero para subirlo derecho,
Una.
Ahí va, para subirlo derecho.
Dos.
Okay.
Venga. Dale. Ahí va. Levanta allá, hermano, güey. Ahí lo matan a hacerlo para allá. Espérate. Nosotros no hemos subido, güey. Ok. No hemos subido, Espérate. Espérate. A tu cuerpo. Espérate ahí. Ahí va a sacar ropa que lo vayas de arriba,
Ahorita, ¿no está el labio? ¿Sube el labio?
El dale ya casi está arriba, güey.
That's $70 here.
Vamos a ver. Dígame.
Y te la voy a dar, güey. Está retirando la pared.
Sí, ahí no se va para ningún lado. Dígame.
Yo quiero estar nada más.
Sí. Mira, suéltate por acá más.
Déjeme cómo estoy.
No, le hace falta que, güey. Le hace falta mucho ya que. ¿Ves?
Dame strap, ¿verdad?
Dale más.
Sí, para no se lo agachar.
Suéltate todo, güey.
Sobres.
1, 2, 3. Ahí ya subió. Vale, güey. Ahí no va a ver, bueno.
I was getting ready to run.
Eso.
far
Hey,
enough?
does that mean we're done here now?
Yeah, you go. I got what I want.
It's Saturday, end of week, I believe it's 36. I'm starting to lose track. And there aren't a whole lot of changes on the outside. I did manage to get my car inside. So this baby's not going to stay outside anymore. I got to take it to the car wash and get it cleaned up. And here's some of the extra travertine. We'll probably still use some of it because they haven't finished the master bathroom floor. And here's some extra granite. And Chad's been experimenting. He cut a 4-inch corner off of one of these, and then he sliced it to make it as thin as a floor tile. And he's going to try putting in the squares of the master bathroom. It's kind of an accent, and it would match the granite countertops. The garage is pretty much done. All the lights are in. I think pretty much the garage door is working. Over in the back of the far side, they're going to put the tankless water heater and the actual vacuum part of the central vacuum cleaner. On the first floor here, there are not a lot of real dramatic changes. We had these countertops in last week. The rest of the plumbing has been hooked up here in the laundry room. Works great. It's probably got it turned off. My shoe farting. Okay, in this room, just about done. I got the towel bars on now. Paper holder, the drain. Still need the faucet and the fixture and the mirror. And I guess this room will be 100% done. Alright, back here in the laundry room, I guess we need some handles on these cabinets. But there's an area here for storage that goes way over to the right, which would be kind of hard to get to. So, in case you put some of these sliding drawers in here, put one on the top. They cut the bars off so you could get things in it. So if you just have something like a laundry basket in there, you could take that out, and then you could get to some of your other stuff, rather than crawling in there on your hands and knees. There's also another area like this upstairs in the kitchen to the left of the stove, and you did the same thing to that. Alright, let's go upstairs now. Alright, we're upstairs now, and here's the powder room. And Ched did the floor in this room the same as the entry. We still need a sink. This will be one of those pedestal sinks. The guys will come back and finish the elevator when we have power to the house. And they stuck the refrigerator here in the living room area that's going to be carpeted, so it won't be in the way. Warning, product is top heavy. No kidding. Okay, the office has been tiled. So floor in this room is done. And the biggest change this week has been in the kitchen. And he has the counters in, countertops. All the granite is in now. We still have to cut some holes here for the faucet and the distilled water dispenser. And the refrigerator will go over here. And the stove here, pot filler there, and that pipe coming out of the granite. And the microwave drawer is in now. And I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is. That's about it. I don't think there's anything back here in the master bedroom. I'll go take a look though. Well, they have the granite here on the bathtub. And that's about it. Oh, I see Chet has laid out what he plans to do up here. That's the piece of granite in the corner there.